Irregular verbs are easy, you see. It's just like doing your ABC. Be was been, go went gone, see saw seen, shine shone shone. Hit hit hit, shut shut shut, put put put, cut cut cut. Lose lost lost, write wrote written, cost cost cost, bite bit bitten. Ride rode ridden, speak spoke spoken, hide hid hidden, break broke broken. Drive drove driven, sing sang sung, give gave given, ring rang rung. Tear tore torn, fly flew flown, wear wore worn, know knew known. Bring brought brought, buy bought bought, catch caught caught, teach taught taught. Read read read, come came come, say said said, swim swam swum. Sit sat sat, feel felt felt, have had had, kneel knelt knelt. Make made made, do did done, pay paid paid, begin began begun. Eat ate eaten, take took taken, beat beat beaten, shake shook shaken. Shoot shot shot, choose chose chosen, get got got, freeze froze frozen. Set set set, find found found, let let let, wind wound wound. Think thought thought, drink drank drunk, fight fought fought, sink sank sunk. Lend lent lent, fling flung flung, send sent sent, cling clung clung. Spend spent spent, hang hung hung, bend bent bent, sting stung stung. Keep kept kept, fall fell fallen, sleep slept slept, steal stole stolen. Bleed bled bled, grow grew grown, feed fed fed, sow sowed sown. Irregular verbs are easy, you see. It's just like doing your ABC.